In this video, we are going to show you how to upgrade AD Reports to the latest version. Every time when you run the application, it will check for a new available version from the MaxPowerSoft website. If the new version is available, Version Check dialog will show up with a message to update the latest version of AD Reports. Click Update to start downloading and save the installation file. Next, close AD Reports. Then, open Control Panel, Programs and Features, select AD Reports, and click Uninstall. All your saved reports and settings will not be deleted. Next, open the folder with the saved installation file and double-click it to start the installation process. If you see a security warning, click Run and follow the installation instructions. When installation is done, you will see AD Reports icon on your desktop with the version number. If you need help with registration of your copy of AD Reports, please check our video, How to Register AD Reports. And you are all set and ready for running Active Directory reports.